Odan CTC TV. They make a bit of Vanessa. Odan for Najatum. Their party. What I say, Wajatum, their party. Party Ajatum. Odan for Jimudi. Mundi Tum City TV. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place mission. Blaster place. Ghana local place. All will be a City TV. City
to deliver the remarks right here at this unique occasion. Please put your hands together for Her Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana.
First, let me thank the organizers for this kind invitation that was extended to His Excellency J.M. Mahama, who is not able to be here today, this evening actually. I think it's been an evening of pleasant things, in the sense that just a couple of hours ago, we had the privilege of swearing in the new ministers. And from there, I came to enjoy another very pleasant evening. It has been pleasant. And I want to acknowledge everybody who has been part of the organization and the execution. I heard the speech about challenges. And at times like this, this is the 49th event. My mind always goes to those who thought about it, those who delivered the concept, those who thought, yes, this is also necessary and that it can be done. Maybe at the time they didn't have an auditorium like this. Maybe at the time they didn't even have anything. But they had their dreams. And you have actualized the dreams. So you should clap for yourself. You've done very, very well. You have kept the dream alive. You have kept hope alive. And that is what we ought to be seeing, all of us, to be doing. Again, I want to thank you. This is an evening of joy. Nobody wants to hear long speeches. I hear the speeches have been short so far. So my remarks be. Thank you very much. Have a lovely evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am lobbying for an appointment, so just give me some more time. I have to make sense now. Please, we've got a surprise in the house. The Venerable Kwabena Yeboah. This is how we choose to embarrass you. It's your birthday soon, right? And the Vice President of the Republic has elected to be the first to bless you with a presentation. Please put your hands together for the President. The design was done, I think, by Bennett Studio. You might get moments like this. The man called Oluwa is in shock. Sunday is his birthday. Your Excellency, we are grateful. Thank you so much. We're thankful. We're thankful. Ladies and gentlemen, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Her Excellency Jane